Good day, this is the Professor, Professor CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, October 27, 2022. It is 5:20 and 19 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, gut bacteria. So let's do it here. Can gut bacteria cause rheumatoid arthritis? Bacteria may trigger the disease in those already at risk. Date October 26, 2022. Source, University of Colorado. Researchers at the University of Colorado School of Medicine have discovered that a unique bacteria found in the gut could be responsible for triggering rheumatoid arthritis in people already at risk for the autoimmune disease. Researchers help establish that we can identify people who are at risk for rheumatoid arthritis based on serological markers, and that these markers can be present in the blood for many years before diagnosis. Researchers looked at those antibodies. One is a normal class of antibody we normally see in circulation, but the other is an antibody that we usually associate with our mucosa. Whether it be the oral mucosa, the gut mucosa, or the lung mucosa, they started to wonder, could there be something at the mucosa barrier site that could be driving rheumatoid arthritis? Researchers took the antibodies created by immune cells from individuals whose blood markers showed they were at risk for the disease and mixed them with the feces of the at-risk individuals to find the bacteria that were tagged by the antibodies. And to further test their hypothesis, the researchers used animal models to host a newly discovered bacteria. Those experiments showed that not only did the bacteria cause the animal models to develop the blood markers found in individuals at risk for rheumatoid arthritis, but some of the models showed development of full-blown rheumatoid arthritis as well. The researchers confirmed that the T cells in the blood of people with rheumatoid arthritis will respond to these bacteria, but people who are otherwise healthy do not respond to these bacteria. And through studies in humans and animal models, researchers were able to identify these bacteria as being associated with the risk for developing rheumatoid arthritis. They trigger a rheumatoid arthritis-like disease in animal models, and in humans, they can show that this bacterium seems to be triggering immune responses specific to rheumatoid arthritis. If the unique species of bacteria is indeed driving the immune response that leads to rheumatoid arthritis in individuals already at risk for the disease, it might be possible to target the bacteria with medication to prevent that response from happening. The next thing we want to do is identify the larger populations of individuals at risk for rheumatoid arthritis if these bacteria correlate with other genetic, environmental, and mucosal immune responses, and then, ultimately, the development of rheumatoid arthritis. Then we can say this is a marker that is useful in helping predict who will go on to develop rheumatoid arthritis and apply prevention strategies. The other opportunity there is that if we can understand how it is triggering these immune responses, we might be able to block the bacteria's ability to do that. The research took 5 years to conduct and analyze. Eventually, the researchers want to examine exactly how the bacteria triggers the immune response, as well as different methods of preventing the reaction from happening. There are a lot of different technologies that are just starting to come out that can selectively target a bacterium in the gut microbiome, for example, to prevent it from having immunogenic effects on the host. And for a long time, people have thought that antibiotics could be useful therapy for rheumatoid arthritis, but rather than the sledgehammer effect of a traditional antibiotic that is going to wipe out a large group of bacteria, we might be able to selectively target this bacterium or its effects. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics. and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.